Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the Ichimoku indicator by LuxAlgo, of course. And if you want to use this indicator, we go right here to LuxAlgo.com, click on library, and then we go to search indicators and we search right here for Ichimoku. There we are. And then you will find right here the theory. So we click right here now on Ichimoku theories. Then you see right here a chart, and then this looks impressive, to be honest. And then if you want to use this, the only platform where we can use this free is right here for TradingView. The other platforms right here as NinjaTrader, MetaTrader, and Thinkorswim are coming soon. So we select right here access, get access. And then he will send us right here to this page from TradingView. Then we click on use on chart. And then right now we need to delete right here the ICT concepts. And now you can see right here the Ichimoku theories. And this is exactly how you can add this indicator to the chart. And damn, it's impressive. I have no idea how this indicator works, but this is crazy. So much information. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.